Everyone, welcome to Urban Deca Homes. Ito po ganito po yung turnover unit niya. Bedroom 1, and then bedroom 2. Ayan, ating lavatory and toilet. Good for couples. Good for, kasi 4 bedrooms, pwede may anak din, one family. Ayan, for more info, please call 0915-1217-559. This is our sample units. Turnover units. Ayan. 2 bedrooms. And for more details, please call Donna 0915-1217-559 or 0928-4399371 for my Viber account. Thanks everyone. God bless po.